अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। आज जिस खिलाड़ी का जिक्र करने लगे हैं वो पाकिस्तान का नहीं बल्कि दुनिया क्रिकेट का एक अजीम खिलाड़ी है और अब तक उस जैसा खिलाड़ी आ नहीं सका। मैं पाकिस्तान के बेहतरीन खिलाड़ी वसीम अकरम के बारे में बात करूंगा, लेकिन इससे पहले जो हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, हमारी इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें और बेल आइकन पर प्रेस करें ताकि आपके पास हमारी तमाम मालूमाती वीडियो पहुंच सके।
Greg Chappell.
We got him, yes.
Beautifully bowled there by Wasim, and he's got Darren Lee.
6. Nolan Yorker, lovely ball.
The home side from 218 for 3 to 273 all out. Akram's figures 6 for 61 and a lead of just 4 runs.
Shahid Afridi from long on has come to where Sakleen Mushtaq was. Knocked him over.
Oh, and that's got to be close as well.
वसीम अकरम ने क्रिकेट का आगाज कौमी टीम में 1985 में किया। वसीम अकरम का इंतखाब उस वक्त के बेहतरीन क्रिकेटर जुवेद मियांदाद और इमरान खान ने किया। वसीम अकरम ने अपना पहला टेस्ट मैच न्यूजीलैंड के खिलाफ खेला। वसीम अकरम ने अपने दूसरे टेस्ट मैच में 10 विकेटें ली। उस वक्त के बड़े बड़े बॉलरों को वसीम अकरम ने पीछे छोड़ दिया। वसीम अकरम की टेस्ट मैच की 440 और वनडे की 50-100 विकेट्स थी। 1992 के वर्ल्ड कप में वसीम अकरम का एक अहम रोल था। वसीम अकरम ने पाकिस्तान को न सिर्फ फाइनल तक पहुंचाया बल्कि फाइनल में 90 बॉल में 33 रन्स बनाए और बेहतरीन बॉलिंग की, जिसकी वजह से पाकिस्तान 1992 का वर्ल्ड कप जीता। इसके अलावा 1996 के वर्ल्ड कप में वसीम अकरम की बेहतरीन बॉलिंग थी, पाकिस्तान को सेमीफाइनल तक पहुंचाया, लेकिन वसीम अकरम बदकिस्मती से अनफिट हो गए। पाकिस्तान वो मैच हार गया। 1999 के वर्ल्ड कप में भी वसीम अकरम का एक अहम रोल था। वो टीम के कप्तान थे। वसीम अकरम ने बेहतरीन बॉलिंग की, पाकिस्तान टीम को फाइनल तक पहुंचाया। 1999 के वर्ल्ड कप में पाकिस्तान की टीम एक मजबूत टीम थी, लेकिन बदकिस्मती से टीम फाइनल हार गई क्योंकि उस मैच में बैटिंग फ्लॉप हो गई। वसीम अकरम के रिटायरमेंट के बाद पाकिस्तान को उस जैसा बॉलर नहीं मिला। वसीम अकरम स्विंग के सुल्तान समझे जाते हैं। वसीम अकरम दुनिया क्रिकेट की हर ग्राउंड की विकेट को समझकर बॉल करवाते थे। वसीम अकरम की बॉलिंग सही लाइन पर होती थी। उस वक्त के बड़े बड़े बैट्समैन वसीम अकरम से डरते थे। वसीम अकरम एक इंटेलिजेंट क्रिकेटर थे और एक बेहतरीन बैट्समैन थे और पाकिस्तान के अहम मैचों में वसीम अकरम ने रन बनाए हैं। पाकिस्तान की मौजूदा क्रिकेट की सूरत हाल बहुत ख़राब है। पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट बोर्ड को चाहिए कि वो वसीम अकरम जैसे खिलाड़ियों से मदद ले ताकि पाकिस्तान की टीम एक मजबूत टीम बन सके, ताकि हमारे मुल्क का नाम दुनिया में रोशन हो। अपनी दुआओं में याद रखें। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Pakistan here. You see it suddenly. The ball is starting to move. There's another wide. It's not going to be the wides though. It's going to be the wickets. That's what they're after, Pakistan. They've got the slip in. A wee bit of movement there for Wasim Akram. See, he's quite keyed up.
Yeah, here's the reverse. Just when you thought it was going to shake away as the wide did, it started to dart back in towards the stumps. And Harris did well to get off the mark. Wow. That boomeranged him. This is where they are devastating. Jacob Oram has just got to get forward, get outside the line of the off stump, take the stumps out of it, get in front of them, get forward. It's big enough to ride any height. And if you're going to leave the ball, make sure it hits the body and not anything wooden first. It's painted green. 21 off 40. There is tension in the air here, folks. Borum. Play. Beautiful bowling that as the leg cutter away from the left-handed Oram. Pace. I think when he loses his line, Wasim Akram, he relies on that in-swinger to get himself back into rhythm. Now he's confident that he can bowl the leg cutter.
He's got on a bit of a string here, Wasim Akram. It's the second one. I think this is slightly closer in, this one. Very quick arm action. And Oram just a wee bit uncertain outside his off stump and the position of it. He hasn't been in long. He probably wasn't expecting to bat. Now, what are the odds on here on a ball just angling again back into the left-hander's off stump here? The slip's been taken out. Mid-wicket. Oh, there it was, and that must have threatened the leg stump. Very lucky to still be there. Good take by Mohan Khan. 265 for 6.
Tense one on the middle. As we look at Wasim Akram just carving Oram in half there. Mohan did well. Bouncing over middle stump. Pakistan, they'll need one more wicket on it feels. Beautiful swing. Luring Harris towards the ball. Akram just clutching his side, perhaps a little bit of cramp. Seam up. Beautiful delivery that. You can see just the last few overs, even with Wakar's last few overs, that when this ball gets old, this is where Pakistanis are just almost unplayable. Oh, nearly played on. That one was coming back. There's no signs as to which way it's going to go. It just happens in the air.
This is pretty thrilling stuff, actually. Look at the seam on this too. Just bolt upright. Just very skillful bowling. You don't see any better than this towards the end of a one-day innings with an old ball. He began his test career on this ground. He really is testing the New Zealanders. And certainly I think the New Zealand batsmen can afford to just try and play this over out. They have plenty of overs left to get these runs. It seems as if he's grabbed his side there a little bit in the second delivery. Oh, this one angles back in as well. Thickish inside middle from Harris, gets it away. Now Oram's had a bit of trouble in the last few deliveries, both from Akram and also Shoaib. Let's see if he can get across to off stump. He's started to just drift outside the line a wee bit and play the curtain rail towards the ball. See if he can get in line here.
run, Chris Harris. Oram somehow digs out a Yorker of the highest quality. Wasim Akram, who is second test, took 10 wickets here in 1985-86. There's one more delivery. And Harris see it out. An important delivery this. And he does just. 46 overs gone. Akram is out of the attack now, and it's 270 for 6.
Well, he's disappointed. Let's have a look at this last over. Look, just away from Harris, draws him forward, the walking shot, then almost threatens the stumps. A straighter one there. Gets the inside edge, nearly gets through Jacob Oram, and draws the outside edge from Harris. Lovely bowling. Very good last over and last spell for Wasim Akram at Carisbrook.